lie. You fools probably thought that was last album, that's why you came out of your shells. But it ain't hard to tell, MC's back. Hip-hop is alive and well, and suddenly y'all can hear the sound of the bell telling y'all to leave the stage right now, cause I'm about to take over right now. Hate it when MCs think just because I've been quiet for so long I lost it. I still got the songs inside me, I still got the beat, I still got the shit that speaks to the streets. I'm still that MC who keep hip-hop on the real, nigga please. Still original, ain't copy nobody, ain't got the time to look at someone else's album so I can study it and pick out the rhyme, nigga please. I'm the rap's finest, yes, you can call me your highness. Punks who don't listen get smacked real quick, nigga please. And beef, please. I ain't going out like that. This ain't even the streets, nigga please. Yo, the recording booth is my heart. Hip-hop, I love you to death. Seriously, you was there when I was lonely. You was there when I needed somebody to hold me. You was there when I did not own nothing. Ah, damn. You were there since day one. Never left me when I needed you most. And I'll be with you at any cost. See, you show me the light, help me to open doors where they would never let me enter. You show me a way to get through to people in a way I never thought possible. I'm important when you're by my side. I'm worth something when you're by my side. I feel something when you're in my mind all the time. And the fact that I don't even have to rhyme to make my message felt makes me feel special. The PROMETHEUS still feels like just a kid when it's with you. If I didn't have you, hip-hop, it would be a cold, 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 cold world. Nothing would work out. Oh man.